yard. Looks like Mama made it
I
safe.
need to call. The weather was nice.
The weather was nice.
Yeah, the weather was nice. There was an accident.
Oh yeah, we
One
got.
accident.
So how far do we have to reroute?
Well, I think by the time my break was over, the road was open, so I didn't go to the detour.
Oh, okay.
So I just keep going. And I think only one lane was shut. Oh, I don't even know about that. I need to reach my paper. Sige, parang ano na. Sige. Uli na.
We're back in Norwalk, Ohio. What time is it? 44 degrees out. And I think hopefully it's before 2 o'clock.
Hello. Sige. Hello.
Literally,
I have
it's
a trailer.
it's 2:30.
5172 and 085163 from
Hartford.
Hartford.
If you go on 76 at 5172, if you go on 76.
Copy that. 76. Woo-hoo. I forgot to say thank you. Oh my gosh, you gotta go pee.
So our tire made it through the night, Mama?
Yes, our tire made it through the night.
Are you putting that back one anywhere, Dean? Well, I got it wrote down for 72, but I'm not going to have time, I don't think.
Direct na lupot ako. Oh my gosh, I gotta go pee. Hindi ko pwede yan po Honey, I have a dance.
You have a what?
I have a dance. I'm gonna show you. No practice.
No practice?
Yes. It's the
No practice dance?
but
So where'd you take your break at? I didn't feel you eat, stop and eat or
I took my break,
nothing.
honey, pretty fast.
So what is it, 2 o'clock, 2:30?
Yes. I don't think they have drivers because looks like all the slippers are here. Looks like they don't have drivers. I got a message from a dispatcher saying that I need to take the load here
Good.
instead of Youngstown.
Good, I didn't want it. They had it at here at first, and then they crossed it out and put Youngstown. So
I'm gonna find out my tires. Okay, honey. Hello. Hi, how are you? Good, I'm good. Looks like it's a little warmer outside. Yeah. Right. Hey, sweetheart.
no.
You're on your own now, Dean. I can't help you out no more. Tired, I'm about done. Appreciate all the help, so. You have a good day, man.
Someone is sitting
Okay, have a good ride tonight.
Gosh, I need to go. Honey, it says tala, tala. That's the dance. Abuti ng mga tala. I forgot the song. I've been listening it like almost all day. It's a dance craze in the Philippines. It's Tala, honey, by Sarah Geronimo.
Oh,
Geronimo,
yeah.
your favorite singer. I want you to sing that song. I want to listen to that song, see if you can sing it, honey, because I think a lot of people are gonna watch you sing that song if you practice that.
Oh yeah. It's a new
Yeah,
dance craze or something.
that song, it's like 3 years old, but it's starting to hit again. I don't know. It's like a lot of people are dancing that thing. Rona told me, and Mary Jane, and Beth told me at home about that song. Roger told me about that song too. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to hear it. Thank you! I didn't hear you. I will see my tire's dead.
Your tire made it through the night.
Yes.
I can't believe the way he fixed that thing. It worked.
Did you say 76, honey?
Yeah, I just dropped this back one back here.
I didn't take that truck yesterday. 1543 going to door 114, 114.
Right. Oh gosh. Alright, be right back. It's 44 degrees. It's not too
44.
cold.
Alright.
I can't reach it.
Yeah, Mama hates that
Oh my gosh.
that electric plug the most. That
Oh my gosh, this thing is hard, honey. Oh, I got it. Whew. I'm gonna hang it there. Just throw me like something like
yeah,
hang
just
it.
throw it around here. Going up
Oh
to
my god, I'm gonna go use the bathroom.
Alright. Alright, hurry up. One more thing.
How do I pick this up? I just worked out yesterday.
There you go.
Where is the
Alright, we're out of here. We'll go put this in the door and then we're done.